Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here again. Excuse me. And we're going to continue our studies on multiplying integers dedicated to this nice young man. So let's get started. Remember, if you need help with your homework, there's Dial the Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. Don't forget to watch our tutorial videos on YouTube. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing. And if we're meeting your needs out there, subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends. Thank you for helping us get over 1,000 subscribers, but we're working on our next 1,000, so help us out. Check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21. Good movie about the pandemic. You can tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show MathTime on Tuesdays, 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, only in Peekskill on Channel 15. All right, let's get started. Here's a vocabulary word you should know about multiplication. Product is the answer to multiplication. Ways that we express multiplication. Here's 3 ways that I want you to know. So remember, all of these mean the same thing. So we usually use the time sign, or we'll write in words, 5 times 4. That's important when we get into translating algebraic expressions. So you have to know that. So 5 with a little X symbol for times 4. Here we have 5 with the little dot. That's a multiplication decimal there. It means multiply as well. And the favorite 5 with a parenthesis next to the 4 parenthesis. When you have numbers next to parenthesis, that means multiply. Okay, so that's what we need to know. The rules for multiplying integers: remember, the same signs, whether it be positive and positive or negative and negative, always equal a positive product. But if the signs are different, like positive times a negative or a negative times a positive, it'll equal a negative product. So we say same signs positive, different signs are negative. So let's try some. So here's some examples we can do. What's good about it, we're allowed to use our calculator. So let me get my calculator out for this first one here. Remember the key, type exactly what you see there. So that dot means time. That's a multiplication decimal. Then I'm putting my parenthesis, a -3 parenthesis, and press enter, and it gives me -12. So my answer for this one is -12. Let me just shrink it first. Okay, and unveil it. There we go. So use your calculator to help you type exactly what you see to get the answer. So let's try one more. Let's try number 6. That's a good one. Let me move over a little bit. All right, let's clear this out. -12, parenthesis, -3. All right, press enter, and that gives us 36. And remember, when you don't have a sign on the number, it's automatically positive. So 36, so positive 36. So I hope you understand what's going on. Try the rest of them on your own. Bring them in tomorrow. Let me know if you understand it. If you don't, rewatch the video. Again, it's a lot of calculator work, so you don't have to really memorize the rules, but use your calculator to check, I would recommend. Here's some more. Oh, we got a word problem here. All right. A water tank leaks 5 gallons of water each day. That's important to know. So 5 gallons of water each day. What integer represents the change in the number of gallons of water in the tank after 7 days? So it's leaking. That means it's going down. So I'm going to put -5 for the leak because it's leaking out water. So that's going to be less water there. And then after 7 days, well, let me multiply this by 7 because one day it minuses 5 gallons. The next day it minuses 5. So I'm just going to say, hey, why don't I just multiply this by -5? Let me get my calculator. So -5, let me clear this first. So the -5 for the amount of leakage times each of the 7 days. That'll give me my answer of -35. So my answer is -35. That would be the representation of how we would represent this leakage as an integer. Okay? And you can write a sentence. The number of gallons of water tank leaks after 7 days would be 35 gallons after 7 days. So I like just writing the integer because if they tell you to write a sentence, you want to write it properly. I would hate to see you write it incorrectly. So I hope you get what's going on. If you're not sure, rewatch the video and bring in your questions. Here's some more for you. Oh, evaluate the expressions. Here we're dealing with more than two. Well, that's just more calculator practice. So let's get our calculator, clear this off, and let's look at number 14. We got 2 times, parenthesis, -3, parenthesis, times, remember that's the multiplication decimal, 5, and let's press enter, and that answer is -30. So let's unveil it. -30. All right. So it's just more calculator work. You're just typing a little bit longer than you normally would. So extra numbers. You can use your calculator to help you solve it. So again, it's just good practice. If you want to use the rules, that's no problem. But I say use your technology. So I hope you enjoyed the movie because we've come down to the end. If you don't understand what's going on, rewatch the movie. If you're unsure, write down your questions. There's also Dial the Teacher Homework Helpline at 212-777-3380, Monday to Thursdays, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Give them a call. They're very nice people. You can also watch my tutorial videos. My channel name is Dan Robinson, PKMS, Peekskill Middle School. Subscribe to our channel. Help us to get to our next 1,000 subscribers. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. And check out our latest release, PKMS Math Prep 21. You can tweet me at drobmath1. Don't forget to watch our show MathTime on Tuesdays, 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Optimum Cablevision, Channel 15. It's a good show, only in Peekskill. If you desire to study with me and some more work on the topic we just done, you can write me at drobinson@peekskillschools.org. There's a little Kinsley, and Math Prep 21, the pandemic. So check out what we did when we were in these little barriers and things in the pandemic, 2021. So I hope you enjoyed the movie dedicated to this nice young man and multiplying integers. So I'll be looking for you guys soon. So check you out later. That's it for today. Bye-bye.